I have the honor of introducing myself, the MD of Fidson Healthcare Plc. I want to welcome you very warmly to this Distributors Conference. The greatest moment of my life is when I see that we are all collectively making progress. I am honored also to have you in this room today and to celebrate with you our collective success.
In Fidson, we say we value life. Therefore, if we value life, then the life of our partners are very, very important to us. As we are here, it is important to feel free to interact, to exchange pleasantries, to engage each other in the course of this conference.
I would like to say, from the little lessons I've learned, not as a distributor, but as a manager of distributors across 32 countries, you can make Fidson not just to be the biggest pharmaceutical company in Nigeria, but to become the biggest pharmaceutical company in Africa. I want to be invited to next year so that I can also come and have free drinks, free coffee, free tea, free pounded yam, like I'm going to have today. God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, our distinguished distributors and partners, we're happy to have you and we're glad that you are here. We're here to relax, we're here to dance, we're here to laugh, we're here to congratulate ourselves, we're here to clap for ourselves. We are proud of the things that you have helped us achieve. Everything that we celebrate today is a product of your own hard work. So we are here tonight just to celebrate you, to thank you, and to commend you for your hard work, your devotion and dedication, right, to Fidson.
My partnership with Fidson has made me realize a vision, which I conceptualize, visualize, I'm actualizing now. It actually came to limelight when the National Drug Distribution Guideline was rolled out by the federal government. I'm very happy with the support of Fidson, financially, technically, and psychologically. I was the first to graduate to Mega Drug Distribution Center. So today, I have been given license for the second time, 2 years in a row, by the Pharmacy Council of Nigeria, which is the regulatory body. The vision that Fidson has, now going into vaccines, APIs, that's active pharmaceutical ingredients, is indeed amazing and intriguing. So the future is very bright.
I'm happy to be here today as a Fidson distributor. No be only just Fidson distributor, #1 position, 2019, 2021, 2020 and 2022, back-to-back #1 position. So I'm happy to be here today because not by my power or by anything, only God. And they push me, it's not easy to me, but with God's grace, before you know it, I'm here. So I'm also thanking the Fidson family, especially MD and the family. They so love me like a son.
My experience in this distributors conference has been completely awesome. Very educative, formative, particularly for me, because this is my first time attending the conference, so it has been a great learning process for me. And I must say that I am very impressed with what I've witnessed here, and I've learned so much that I'm going to take back with me and strategize on how to keep bettering our association with Fidson. And I also want to say a very big thank you for this award. When I was told I was going to be given one, I actually was not expecting it. So this has been a boost for me, for us as a company. On behalf of Graham Pharmaceuticals, I want to say a very big thank you to Fidson. Thank you for the opportunity, thank you for the recognition, thank you for the encouragement.
My experience with today's conference, I must tell you, I'm so overwhelmed. I never expected this, but I really thank God because He's the one that made it possible for me to achieve this. And I really appreciate the gifts given to me from the management of Fidson Healthcare. I thank them all because they are the one that made this happen. If not for them, I don't think I would be able to be standing before you today. But I really appreciate all their wonderful efforts, their encouragement. They really encourage us to do better because they really supported us in terms of customer relationship. I love the way they handle us. I really appreciate.
I've been a distributor to Fidson Healthcare Plc for many years, and I'm happy today. From 2 products, we have uncountable products now. So kudos to Fidson, and I thank Almighty for giving them that opportunity to grow, and they are growing very, very fast.
Most importantly, we are also interested in ensuring that they have opportunity to network. They've been able to establish that in the last 3 days, and we are quite glad about that.
Primarily, we wanted to reward our partners, our distributors. But beyond rewarding them, we also wanted them to know our plans for the future. Ultimately, if they understand what we are doing, it also help them plan on how they can work with us. So essentially, it's a reward event, and to share our vision with them and to see how we can build on that partnership.